Hello adventurers, Ryan here with another TMR Tours. Today we're going to talk about hidden extras at Walt Disney World that you might have missed. So these are some things that you can do, not necessarily rides or attractions or food. These are extras that you can do around the property at Walt Disney World. First on the list is silhouette cutting. Now this is something you can do in multiple parks at Walt Disney World, but it is something special for the whole family, for the kids, or something special for a souvenir. So check out these artists that actually do the live silhouette cuttings because they are amazing at their craft. They actually have to go through multiple tiers of training to do this live on stage for you guys. Now the silhouettes are intricate, and as I said, you can do portraits, couples, trios, anything really, as long as you're all there and willing to do it. Now the first place you can do it is of course on Main Street. The other place is in Liberty Square across from Sleepy Hollow. This counter service is something we talk about in other videos. And now if you want silhouettes cut out at Epcot, you can do it at the France Pavilion in the back of World Showcase. Now while we are over here in Epcot, I want to talk about a few of the specialty tours that you can do at Disney, including the Behind the Scenes tour over at the Land Pavilion. Now this is something you don't have to plan weeks in advance. You can do it the day of or the day after. Just go to the kiosk by the Soarin' attraction and schedule the time that you want to do your tour. This is an amazing tour that goes through the greenhouses over at the Land Pavilion. You can see the various growing cactus they use on Walt Disney World property. Now it is not the only tour you can do. You can also do the Backstage Magic tour, as well as the Keys to the Kingdom tour, and various other things. Just check out the WaltDisneyWorld.com for all your special event tickets, and you will find everything you need to know about behind the scenes. And a really cool thing about this tour is you can actually feed the fish, which is awesome. So check it out, guys. This is one of the most affordable tours on Walt Disney World property if you have the chance. The next thing I want to talk about is boat rentals. Now you can do this across the property at various resorts. One place we like to do it is at the Contemporary Lodge. So if you go to the back, you can actually rent two-person speedboats or pontoons that you can fit anywhere from 8 to 10 people on. Now it's an amazing experience to be able to kind of explore Walt Disney World property on your own. And of course, Seven Seas Lagoons and Bay Lake is a great place to start. See some really unique sights of the property as well as other resorts. And if you're really interested, you can check out River Country, the oldest water park to still exist, and very soon it will go away. Stacy was real excited to see River Country, and so can you. So head over to the Contemporary, rent that boat, and have yourself a great time on Seven Seas Lagoon and Bay Lake, seeing all the various sites around property. Another great thing to do on property is miniature golf. Now there are two locations, both Winter Summerland and Fantasia Garden, and both of these locations house two courses. Now what's fun about Winter Summerland is you have a summer getaway where Santa's enjoying his vacation, and a Winterland, which essentially is a North Pole. So lots of snow, lots of fun winter features all over the course. One thing to note about the miniature golf is that if you play multiple rounds at different holes or courses, you can actually get discounts. So be aware that you can get discounts if you're looking to do more than one course. So that is Winter Summerland, lots of fun, Christmas vibe here at Santa's Getaway. But now we're going to head over to Fantasia Gardens and talk more about this course. Now it may be obvious, but this course is music themed, so lots of musical notes and things all around the course. There is also all kinds of statues and theming from various sections of the Fantasia movie. So if you like those ballet hippos or the crocodiles, you will see all of your fan favorites right here at Fantasia Gardens. The other course at this location is a huge putting green, and if you're really trying to develop your putting game, Fantasia Gardens is the place for you. Last up, and our favorite hidden extra here at Walt Disney World, is Trader Sam's Grog Grotto and Tiki Terrace over at the Polynesian Resort. Now some of you might even know about this and know about the Spikey Pineapple, but inside Trader Sam's you have an awesome tiki bar at the Polynesian Resort, but there's a special drink called the Spikey Pineapple that usually you cannot get inside Trader Sam's, but if you're lucky on a slow day, you might be able to sample it. Now usually where you get this drink is outside at Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace. What is so special about this Spikey Pineapple? Well, it is actually blended Dole Whip and rum. So unlike other locations where you get rum poured on top or under Dole Whip, this is actually blended together in an amazing smoothie type drink. So check it out, Spikey Pineapple at Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace at the Polynesian Resort. Thanks, adventurers, for joining us on this episode of TMR Tours. If you have any ideas for future adventures, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you stay up to date on all the featured TMR Tour releases.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR Tour. Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh!